All right, let's take a look at this problem right here. It says, which graph does not represent y as a function of x? So, well, first thing I notice is this not. I always have to pay attention to those because it's real easy to forget after I get working on a problem. So highlight that if you can. And we need to understand what is a function. And a function just means, I've got it written over here, that each x value can have only one value associated with it. Okay? So, and I will show you exactly what that means here, but I'm going to go ahead and kind of connect these. You don't have to do this, but it kind of helps to see what's going on. So here we've got a straight line that's heading downwards, and here we've got a parabola. Okay, so what we can do to make sure there's only one y value for each x is we can do what's called the vertical pencil test. So I'm going to take my pencil here, and we're going to roll it across each of these and see. So for this one right here, I come across the first point here, and that point is 6, 5. And there's no other point that's associated with the x value of 6. Okay? Here the x is 5, and there's only one y value, that's 1.5. And there's nothing else that this pencil is crossing at that point. Okay, so we're really looking for, if there's only one dot in this case, or one value that we cross at any time that we're going through this line, then we know we've got a function. Okay, so let's try this one. So all of these are just one value for each point on that line. And let's look at this one. Same thing. Now this could be confusing here because all those y's are the same, but the x only has one y associated with it. So we've got 6 here and 2 for y. So x is 6, y is 2. X is 5, y is 2. X is 4, y is 2. So there's still only one y associated with each of these. Okay? So here's where we come into the problem. This point is fine, this point's fine, we're doing good, doing good, and then we come across these 2 points right here. So x is 1, 0, and it's also 1, 2. So we've got 2 y values associated with the one that is the x value. So right there we know, okay, this does not pass the vertical pencil test. Okay, so our answer is A. All right, I hope this helps, and I will see you in the next one.